When you are ready to feed a new piece of material, you will cut the corners on a small angle. You will feed your material in, make sure the motor is running. Your switch here is in the jog position. Your enable button has been activated, and you can press the jog button from the entrance end to get your material in the machine halfway. You can come down to this end of the machine at the exit end and press the jog button to continue jogging your material until it goes through the exit shear. Once you're through the exit shear, you can press the trim button and it will trim the first piece of material off for you, and then you are ready to go into your production mode. In order to go to your production mode, you will need to stop the motor, change the jog run switch to run. It will not change if the motor is running. You can restart the motor, hit the enable button. You can go into your recipe with your jobs programmed. They each have on-off switches for the job. And lengths here, you can touch the length so it brings the keypad up. You can enter the number you want to run, press the enter button, and you are ready to push the start button to run that first job. Once that job's done, it will go to the next job if the on-off switch is turned on. You can pause it. At the time you pause it, you can resume it when you're ready to run. If you're not ready to run anymore or want to get out of the recipe menu, you can hit the abort button. You have the one-time mode page. You can program a length in, again by touching it, entering the number on the keypad, press enter, and you can run one piece at that length. The setup mode. The setup mode will have an incremental and continuous button. You want to keep your button on continuous if you're running job after job. Incremental, if you just want to push the button to start it after each job, it will have an arrow on the recipe page. There are inches and centimeters. Again, at any time if you want to press these, you must stop the motor, go back into the setup page. You will have to log in. The login is Grover, and that's Grover, and then press enter, and that will log you into level 1. Then you are able to change these switches if you need to. This is the unload time. 20 seconds seems to be adequate for getting the piece of material out. That piece can be lengthened if needed. You can log back out if you're not changing any of those dimensions again. You can go back onto your home page. When you are unloading the material, it will have to be in jog. If the safety cages move or the cover bypass switch is turned, it will only be in jog position to run. It will not run production when any of the safety devices are applied, such as the cages.